Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is AmanChopraYT, and today we're going to be talking about how to productively journal in Notion every day as a beginner. So for the last month and a half, I've been using the Notion app to journal every morning and night, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do exactly that by taking you through a template called the 3-Minute Journal, which is made by the co-founder of the online learning platform Monthly, Valentine Perez. And make sure you watch till the end of the video where I'll tell you how you can get this template for free. So I found this 3-minute journal in late December, and the idea behind it is that it's split into morning and night, where you spend 3 minutes every morning thinking and planning about your day, and you spend 3 minutes every night reflecting on your day and what you could have done better. The main idea of journaling is to simply write down your thoughts and feelings to understand them more clearly, and as a form of getting control of your emotions and improving mental health. And so it also helps in making us do things efficiently and making good use of our time, because through journaling we can reflect on our days and observe and understand the things that we enjoyed doing and we didn't enjoy doing at a later date. So let's first dive into the morning part of the journal. So every day when I wake up, I start with writing down the things that I dreamt about, and today's would be nothing because I was pretty tired when I went to sleep, and so I pretty much slept through the entire night. Then I move on to 3 things that I'm grateful for, which is usually people such as my family and friends, opportunities that I received, and even my life, because there's good vibes experience all around, and I appreciate that. Next, I have the one thing that I'm looking forward to every day, and another way of thinking about this is the daily highlight, meaning that the one thing that will give you a sense of accomplishment once you finish it by the end of the day. And as for myself, as an example, I would say scripting a video is something that I look forward to doing throughout the day, just because I love sharing content online and with you guys, and because I can then prepare my video in advance. Then we talk about what under my control would make today even more great, and so I'd say at least finishing the first draft of that video script would be amazing. And then as for the idea for experiment to run, that's just something new that I can try in the day, or something that I try to make into more of a habit, which is reading before I go to bed. The morning part also talks about what I would do or feel if I lived more consciously and freely, an affirmation section starting with I am, and the most important thing to focus on in that day. So that was the morning part of the journal, but now let's switch over to nighttime and see what that's like. So in the night, we're greeted by the section here which lets us write in the 3 wins in our day, the one thing I learned, and whether it was a breakthrough idea or not, and the one thing that I could have done to make today better and how I can apply it tomorrow, which let's say is having less screen time by putting my phone aside. Then we move on to reflecting on whether we were resisting something, which in my case would be nothing, a favorite thing that happened in my day, which was playing basketball, a short story of a moment that happened that day, and a reflection upon the experiment that I decided to carry out in the morning, which was reading before bed. It also asks what I could do tomorrow that is a high leverage task and would have a low downside, and a request for my subconscious mind to sleep on, which is where you basically write down a specific question that you want your mind to think about and work on answering while you're sleeping. So for me, journaling for sure helps with reflecting on my days and night, but most importantly, it helps with scheduling my days in the morning, because it helps me identify the most important thing on my to-do list and what I have to primarily focus on throughout the day. And so I feel that for beginners, this is a great way to get started with journaling, especially because the Notion app and the template is completely free. You don't have to worry about any papers or notebooks because it's all online, and it literally takes only 3 minutes to do every morning and night, as the name says. So if you want to get Notion as a journaling template for free, make sure you guys go ahead and check the description below where I have all the links. And if you like this video, then you'll love this custom playlist that I made for you, which has some of my most popular videos on how to be more productive that apparently some people have found super helpful. So make sure you guys check that out. Please hit subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.